Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss about the Kickstart problem, round E, coloring game. So let us discuss the problem statement. So here we do have a simple coloring multiplayer game designed by John. So this game consists of a single dimensional array of length n, and this game is all about coloring the cells. Okay, player can color only valid cells. Okay, and these cells are valid only if it is white and if it neighboring cells are not colored. Okay. To master this game, John actually plays it with a bot, and bot is not very poorly designed. So what it does is always colors the first valid cell from the left. Okay, whereas John plays very perfectly, carefully, and also optimally. Okay, so he also to make sure that the bot can score very less points. Okay, so also game is started by the bot and it's played alternatively. Okay, so let us try to see some example to understand the problem. So let us consider n is equal to 5 and bot starts the game by coloring the first valid cell, which is the first cell. Okay, then John plays. So to make this play optimally, John has to actually John can actually directly put color here, but to make it optimal, he will color in this cell so that all cells becomes invalid. Okay, and bot cannot color any other cells. And now we have to output the points scored by the bot. So right now bot colored only one cell. So n is equal to, sorry, the output is equal to 1. Okay, so let us consider one more example. N is equal to 6. Here bot starts again and John colors after two cells so that more cells are covered, and now bot can color the last cell. So now score is equal to 2 even for n is equal to 7. Okay, after coloring these two cells, and I'm using a different color here so that we can understand that which is colored by bot, which is colored by John. Okay, and so bot colored here. After this bot can color here, so it colors here. So score is equal to 2. Again for n is equal to 8 also score is equal to 2 because it's John's turn. Okay, so n is equal to 9 and 10 also score will be 2 only because John will be uh, coloring one after two cells, right? So it cannot, bot cannot color any three cells. To understand this better, let us understand, let us check the for n is equal to 15 maybe. So for n is equal to 15, so bot starts the game and we have a color here, and then John colors after two cells, and then again bot colors after this the first eligible cell. Then again John will color here, and bot will color here, and John will color after two cells, and now all cells are covered and there are no more eligible cells. So the score will be n is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let us create a simple table for n is equal to like from 1 to 25 and score is equal to what? We'll just make to make understand. Okay. So for n is equal to 1 till 25, we have these the scores. Okay. If you see the pattern actually, so let me also I'll try to explain you the logic also. So if you see the pattern here, so for n is equal to 1 to 5, the score is 1. For 6 to 10, score is 2. For 11 to 15, score is 3. 16 to 24, and so on. Okay. So it is should be a divisible by 5, right? So we can find out the integer division of this. So let us move this here. So if we try to find out the integer division of 5, so we get output as 0 here, and here we get from 5 we get 1 and 2 and so on. Okay, now let us build the logic. To build the logic, one thing what you notice is that I think this 1 is getting shifted here because 5 is divisible by 5. So we'll subtract n by 1. Okay, that is the first step. And second step is that then we do a integer division. Okay, so this is I'm writing the logic in Python, so you can similar logic you can apply in your code also. So once you do this, so you will get corresponding 0 and 1s. but we want score has +1, so increment by 1. Okay, +1 for these expressions. So this is your answer, that's all. So to put this in a simple Python code, so we have range for all the test cases, this is your output. Okay, this is just one line output you have, and you'll get all the three test cases as successful. And here actually the time complexity is just O of 1, so it's a very just direct calculations. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, just consider subscribing to my channel and also like this video, and let me know if you have any doubts also, so that I can solve them in the comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.